So if you have a direct selling company, you need to listen up, because we're talking customers or lack of them. Hi, I'm Donna Marie, owner of Direct Selling Solutions. We're here to provide comprehensive compliance management exclusively for direct selling companies. We provide monitoring, education, and training for independent representatives that are out in the field. We're here today to talk about an exposure, a compliance exposure that you need to know about. And we're talking specifically today about customers or lack of them. Customers are good for business, according to Kevin Grimes, MLM expert attorney. A customer is not a distributor. We have a true customer. Real customers are required in the direct selling industry, but mostly customers that buy the product for their intrinsic value. They buy the product because they like it and they just want to use it. So don't combine customers who purchase the product with distributors. A real customer is a true customer. We've seen this in the Vemma case. If you'll refer to my book, Compliance Solutions, What the FTC Won't Tell You, We Will, we talk specifically about the Vemma case and what happened because of the lack of true customers. Sure, they had a lot of distributors that were also customers, but when it boiled down to it, the FTC claimed in 2015 that Vemma was a pyramid scheme. They ultimately were fined over $238 million in a judgment, and that was the end of the company. So if you don't know how important customers are, pick up the book. It's one of 16 to 20 exposures that we've seen over the past many years being in the compliance education division. And I'm going to share with you one last time. This is Donna Marie, the queen of compliance, telling you to watch out, because I'm always watching. Thanks for watching us.